Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by finding your Google Takeout zip or extracted folder on the PC. Open File Explorer and go directly to its path. Once done, extract with 7-zip or use Windows Extract so you can inspect contents. This avoids accidental deletion inside the compressed archive. Make sure to locate the folder labeled Photos or Google Photos. There you will see media files alongside JSON metadata files. You do this to separate data you want to keep versus the JSON objects you intend to remove. You now narrow the removal. In File Explorer, type JSON in the search field to show only metadata files and confirm they match photo names. Once verified, select them and press Delete to move to Recycle Bin or Shift+Delete to permanently remove. Choose based on whether you want a safety net. If you prefer automation, open PowerShell and run get-child item path, C, \path \to \takeout, recurse filter asterisk, JSON remove item, which efficiently deletes matching files across subfolders. You finish by confirming no. JSON files remain, run the JSON search again and empty the recycle bin if you wanted permanent deletion. Once done, compress or repackage your cleaned folder for storage. If anything goes wrong, like accidental deletion, restore immediately from recycle bin or use recovery software. Time is critical. If you encounter permission or access errors, run File Explorer or PowerShell as administrator and repeat the deletion steps. This resolves most locked file issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.